Life with cockatoo parrots.
Sorry, I only caught the tail end of it.
No, you're okay. I know you have to work. I'm gonna be having lives a little bit. Leave mom alone.
Those are my favorite shoes. Don't ruin them.
You want it? This is actually, I'll get it. This is actually a part of a cockatoo people do need to see. You know, this happens. He just stole mom's shoe.
He's running with it.
He's taking it down. That's good. Thank you. That's good. Did you take mom's shoe? Yep, he knows I got it too. He don't like the cow ones. Now he's being a naughty man. Now he's being a naughty man. Being a naughty man.